This is part 2 of how I made Miss Fortune's twin guns from League of Legends. I continued cutting additional details from the template and transferred them onto 2mm foam. I measured the thickness of the grip and cut that from 2mm foam, glued the piece in place, and trimmed off any excess. Returning to the cone, I shortened it slightly, then applied heat to shape it more precisely. After that, I attached the barrel to the main body and glued the grip into place. I cut more details out of 1mm foam, glued them on, and cleaned up any visible glue lines using the Dremel. I added the final details and cut a thin strip of foam, which I glued onto the cone. I placed tape over half of it to create a new reference. Since there were almost no reference images of the original guns, I had to design some of the smaller details myself. Once I was happy with it, I removed the tape, placed it onto paper to create a pattern, cut it out, traced it onto 1mm foam, cut it, and glued it on. Then I repeated the same process for the barrel. I used a soldering iron to add even more details. After heat sealing everything, I primed it with Gummi Dip. For finishing, I mixed silver metallic paint with a small amount of black to create a shiny black and painted it on. Finally, I painted the gold details and added shadows. Lastly, I sealed everything with a clear sealant. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching.